Yes, poggers. As you saw in the title or thumbnail of this video, only kids can hear this weird sound. No adults can hear it. Actually, this is a low-frequency sound that only kids can hear it. You can try this with your parents to see their reaction. But before we start playing the sound, can you please like and subscribe with notifications on? Awesome. Please don't use headphones. Now, the sound is playing in 3, 2, 1. So, can you hear it? Tell me in the comments. Also, watch this new challenging videos. I made this specially for you. Thanks for watching. YEET.